You will smile, you will dream, you will learn, follow me to a world full of light, full of colors so bright. Oh, beadies fall and beadies fly, the beadies bring the world to life. You can run, you can play, you will learn from the page. There are songs we can sing that will solve anything. Oh, beadies fall and beadies fly, the beadies bring the world to life. It's beadies time! Tales. Open up the book to the yellow page. Look right over here, Cheep is sad today. He can't find his tail, he's looked everywhere. He's looked all around and it isn't there.
Where's my tail? It is gone. Something's feeling very wrong. Where's my tail? I don't know. Won't you help me please, Coco?
Hello, Cheep. Are you upset because you have lost your tail? It is in its place. Just look in the mirror.
Hi, my friend. Yes, my name is Cheep, and I have a yellow tail, you see. Tails are on a hare and fox, you see. A wolf and birdie, and a tail on me. Peep, peep, peep. Yes, my name is Cheep. Where's my tail? Look and you will see. Peep, peep, peep. Yes, my name is Cheep. Won't you help find my tail with me? With no tail, it's very hard to fly. Watch the birdie, look, it's going to try. Meowser, Hoppy, want to help it out. Wolfy too, let's find the tail right now.
Ah, yes. If someone has lost their tail, you have to help them find it.
There's a game that we can play. We'll have fun with blocks today. Choose some legs, tails and head. Oh, this picture is a mess. Blocks are stacked so very tall. We can mix and match them all. We must stack them properly, so our friends are clear to see. There are 5 friends here today. We must sort them right away. Here we go, take your time. We must get the colors right. Find the pictures that will fit. Stack the blocks, yes, that is it. Meowser, Foxtail, Wolfy too. Cheep and Hoppy, that will do. Legs and tails and heads, oh yes. We have tidied up the mess. You can mix the pictures up for another round of fun.
What a wonderful game! But oh no! How can you play with your friends when you have toys and they do not? Listen up to what I say, I'll give you some advice. You must share with all your friends in order to be nice. When you share your toys with friends, you'll have a lot of fun. Everything is brighter when you're kind to everyone. When you share, you soon will find that games for one will grow. Just like that, you'll play the game with everyone you know. When you share your toys with friends, you'll have a lot of fun. Everything is brighter when you're kind to everyone. We played some games, learned some lessons, and now it's time to rest. Now the crib is waiting just for you. You must go to sleep, I'll help you too. I will put you in the crib, my Cheep, and I'll sing a song to help you sleep. Ah, peep, 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 sleep, sleep, sleep. Under bright stars you'll dream. Fall asleep right away. Tomorrow is a new day. You grow faster when you are asleep. You'll be taller tomorrow, you'll see. Mom sees you grow every day and night. She will always be here by your side. Ah, peep, 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 sleep, sleep, sleep. Stars will light up all your dreams. Fall asleep right away. Tomorrow is a new day. Even if things haven't gone your way, it doesn't mean you've had a bad day. Mom will come along to make you smile. She will hold you tightly for a while. Ah, peep, 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 sleep, sleep, sleep. Stars are all around you, see. Throw all your cares away. Tomorrow is a new day.
Are you curious what the next Beadies episode is about? I am so excited!